Hey there everyone. I thought I would share a recap of the lightning talk that I did at CoCoFEST 2018 in a slightly different format. So run these slides. So this is our title screen. So just talking about CoCoVGA and what I've done recently with revision 0.89. So just to recap briefly, CoCoVGA output 640 by 480 VGA at 60 Hertz, the old bog standard. It's compatible with NTSC or PAL, CoCo 1s and 2s, and Dragons. So its features include NTSC artifact color emulation, palette color reconfiguration, 64 column text and semi-graphics 4, the 128 by 96 16 color mode that you saw, I call that VG6. You saw that on the title screen, an example of that anyway. And T1 and lowercase character sets. And with revision 0.89 of the FPGA, now software configurable character sets. So this basically lets you redefine 256 8 by 12 pixel tiles, including the SG4 color blocks, for an effective resolution of 255 by 192 in two colors per 8 by 12 block, where at least one of the colors is a background color and one of them is a foreground color. And so the previous one, the lower kit, and this one, the Minecraft character set, I took from Ed Snyder and modified to include some other types of graphics characters like the card suits and some semi-graphics characters. And here's an example of an arcade font that I threw together real quick before CoCoFEST, and some Space Invaders. Here I'm just playing with the ability to display both character sets on the screen at the same time. And then how about swapping out some of the character sets for in semi-graphics anyway, so you can get some various colors. How about swapping those out with landforms, and then you could have an Ultima style or a roguelike game. So again, this is just an example of 256 by 192 8 or 9 color graphics with kind of a fixed background color for everything. So yeah, and then let's go ahead and make sure that these characters also work in our 64 column text mode. So yep, they do, and we don't have the ability to switch back and forth between at least on the CoCo, we don't have the ability to switch back and forth between the internal character set and the uploaded character set, because it's the int_ext pin on the 6847 that's being used to switch between those on that 32 column screen, where it was sweeping down and back up and changing the character set out from underneath it. That can't be done in this mode, because on the CoCo the GM0 and int_ext pin are tied together, and well, GM0, we need to be in a particular graphics mode in order for CoCoVGA to understand that it needs to address 2K for the 64 column text mode. So basically you can either have one of the ones in ROM, or you can display the software uploaded character set. But I think with 256 characters, I think that's a pretty good deal. Anyway, so there we go. There's basic patched and using the alternate character set. So this has an effective resolution of 512 by 384, because it is the full 640 by 480 resolution, but it's it's the green field within the border. So anyway, that could potentially lead to some more options, higher resolution tile-based games and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for watching.